Hello everyone, welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Philippine favorites and more. And for today, for the second time around, I'm going to be cooking another dish that would feature herring fish. And I know I have done fish salsado in my cooking channel before, and I used canary fish in that particular dish. This time around, we're going to be using herring fish as the star of the show, and this is going to be a more soupy one, whereas in my first version, the sauce was kind of thick. So stick around until the very end of this video, and let's have fun together cooking this soupy herring fish salsado. Let's get started. As usual, the first thing that we need to do is to clean up our fish, and I'm using 6 regular sized herring fish here. I've already removed the scales, the gills, and some parts of the entrails, and I retained the eggs in some of them because the eggs are flavorful and I like them. It's an option. And I've already brined them, meaning I have soaked them in a salted water for at least an hour. And now we can proceed to the first step. And for the first step, we need to fry up our fish. And this pan here is already nice and hot. I'm going to add olive oil in it. And what we're going to do here is to fry our fish to a crisp. And for this particular dish, I like my fish to be fried up to a crisp, as I like my fish to be crispy when I add it into my salsado sauce. And now that our olive oil is nice and hot and it is sizzling right now, I'm going to start putting in my fish here. Line them up, each one of them. Now if you're someone like me who's fuzzy about the oil splatters and the smell of the fish, I have a technique that I have learned from my friends Ernie and Agnes here. So what I'm going to do to prevent the splatters and also to minimize the stinky smell of the fish, we're going to cover our pan with a newspaper, like this. We're going to fry up to a crisp our fish here on one side for maybe 4 minutes. And once that's done, we're going to flip them over to the other side. So it's been 6 minutes. It took longer because there's a lot of fish in my pan here. But at this time, they are ready to be flipped over. And we're just going to use our fork here to do that. So we're going to cover this again and let the other side fry up to a crisp as well. We're maybe less than 6 minutes this time because the other side is already cooked. So maybe around 4 minutes on this side here. So it's been 6 minutes on this side here. So this fish is already crispy. So we're going to take them off the pan right now. Since there's a lot of olive oil in my pan here, I'm just going to reduce it. It's way more than what I need to saute my vegetables. I think that's good. And so now we can proceed to the next step, which is to saute our vegetables here. And this is the same pan that I'm going to be using here. And I'm going to be using the same olive oil that I used to fry up my fish. And the first thing that would go into this would be my julienned ginger. And this is half a thumb of organic ginger, by the way. I'm just going to let it set. And now that my ginger has started releasing its fragrance, I'm going to add my onion. This is 1 onion that I have finely minced. We'll season it with a pinch of salt, give it a stir. And now that my onion has wilted, I'm going to add my 5 cloves of minced garlic here. So I've just added my 3 minced tomatoes here. And we're going to season it with a pinch of salt, give it a quick stir. And now we're going to add a cup of water in our sauce here, because this is going to be soupy. And then to this we're going to add 3 tablespoons of premium fish sauce. I'm going to give it a stir. And we're going to cover this and let this come to a boil. And once that's done, we're going to proceed to the next step. So this has been simmering for 3 minutes and our vegetables are cooked. What I'm going to do at this point is to add back my fish. each one of them. I'm just using my bare hands here because I don't want my fish to break. And then at this point, I'm gonna add my 3 whisked eggs. We're gonna give it a quick whisk before we pour it into our sauce. And we're just gonna pour it all over our pan here. Kind of distribute the egg in the sauce. And then we're gonna shake our pan a bit, just very slowly. And you gotta be very careful because you don't want the sauce or the soup to be splattering on you. At this point, I'm going to taste it for salt. Yummy. I don't need any salt for it. Now I'm going to crack pepper on it. And then finally, my chopped parsley. And this is good. Our Soupy Herring Fish Salsado is now ready to serve. We're back here with our Soupy Herring Fish Salsado, and I'm gonna taste it right now. Just gonna taste the egg here with a little bit of soup. It's yummy, savory. The soup is marvelous and perfect when the weather is kind of chilly. So I hope you guys will give it a try yourself, and once you do, let me know what you think about your own version of it by writing down your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching today, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.